So it's been a little bit of time, but I finally remembered that I had to make this finale of everything that I did, just to do a quick walk around and show you what got done so far. I'm still getting parts in, and the parts that I put are not exactly sticking. I really don't know if this is a cheap Chinese crap, that's why, or I don't know if Koreacan or whatever would have done better. I really don't know. But anyway, here's what we have in the front. You know, I did the lights. Those are looking fantastic. Here we did this. I did this. The eyebrows, some people put them right on top. I decided to put it a little bit higher. I like it better this way, I think. Moving on, I did those. I did the gills. Those look really nice. I love them. They look nicer from further away. I mean, if you come up close, you could see that there are gaps. See? I don't know if, like I said, any other brand would have been better, but these just come right off. That's it for what I did in this area. Over here, I did those. Those look really nice. I like those. I did the cup holder. I actually just relocated. I had it over here, and I realized, actually from a picture of another bike that I saw, that you can put it over there. I think I like it better that way because it's easier for the person to get on. Moving on, up here. Up here, I did a lot happened here. What we have is these guys that are, I guess, also coming off. It's just garbage, I'm telling you. So I mean, look all over. I mean, look at this garbage. Oh, I guess it's not that far off. It just looks like it. I'm just gonna go with it right away, not to waste your time, because there's a lot here. So these, which I'm still not sure if they're gonna come off. They were a little wobbly. Then we've got these guys right here. We've got those guys on the speakers. We've got these covers, which I like, and they're metal actually. Oh, since we're here, I did this. It pops out actually. This replaces it, like I said, which is cool. The cup holder. What I liked is that it came with a chrome holder. What I didn't like is that because it's chrome, it does this. So I don't know if I should. It's not loose, but if you have something decently heavy in it, it'll definitely ride around like that. So, not great. This one that I cobbled together from different parts, as you know, is rock solid. This thing is not going anywhere. I am really, really happy with that setup. While we're here, the kill switch, which didn't come with any tape, as you know. Oh, by the way, I took those garbage softies off of this, and it revealed this very not bad looking. I think I might have too much free play in this. Maybe over a 1/4 inch. I might have to look into that. It says grip heater on it, which is pretty cool because I have that installed. Put those things on. I'm not sure if I made that better or worse. How do we, yep, the wing, and I got the gold one because, you know, gold wing, you know, so all of that happened, okay, and I mentioned those things, and that leaves us the back. I did these, which I gotta tell you, I didn't do on the bottom anything. I got the chrome license plate frame. That's standard procedure on all my cars, so I figured, you know. I did this thing, which I'm very happy with. I love the way that looks. And I got these eyebrows in, but I didn't put them right on the lens, which I was saying, as you remember, that there was no, I have to cut the tape off. I later realized that they're supposed to go on the actual light instead of above it. And I put it right above it. But you know what? I gotta tell you, I think I like it better this way. I gotta be honest with you. I think I like it better this way. Anyway, what's done is done, so that doesn't really matter. But it turned out not bad. I'm really considering debadging it. Getting rid of the Hondas, because I am not one for, honestly, for free advertising, and I don't really care about advertising Honda, and I think it would look a lot cleaner without that Honda there and on the front, honestly. This feels busy. If that was not there, it would just be the chrome. I think I am gonna do it. Tell me what you guys think. But anyway, this is what it is. Stuff is coming undone, but it's on there for now. We'll see if it eventually flies off. But there you have it. Tell me what you guys think. I'm not sure if this is part 1, 2, 3, or whatever it is, but I got more stuff coming. This is it for now. Let me know what you think. And subscribe, hit that like button on the video, and make sure that bell is selected so you don't miss the next parts if this is something that you're into. But let's face it, you're watching the video, you're definitely into it. So I'll see you on the next one. Peace!